Manifesto.
Is this economically sustainable?
Yes, it is sustainable because we've consulted a lot of experts, and only then we come out with this manifesto. And this also should have a vision. It is just not some election promises. So it should have a vision. It should actually make the lives of people in a long term better.
An overdose of freebies, Kanimozhi. In the long term, do you think the state will not have enough funds to build quality schools, hospitals or colleges?
See, it's a tested and proven thing that people need, you have to put money in the hands of people. We've seen this 1,000 rupees which was given to women as an empowerment scheme. It has changed their lives. It has built their confidence. It is not a freebie.
The 8,000
Same thing when it comes to laptops. It actually helps the students, in their education and in having a better future. So it is building their future. It is not a freebie.
So the 8,000 rupees coupons for women to buy any appliances of their choice. Is it a tweaked version of the AIADMK's promise?
Not at all. We are giving a choice to. It's not for women. It is for everybody in a family. If somebody is buying a fridge, I think everybody can use it. So what they need, they have a choice in their hands, and also if whatever they need actually goes to make their lives easier.
So is it for all women, or how does it work?
The Chief Minister has made it very clear that women who do not pay, families which are not paying an income tax.
Thank you very much, Kanimozhi.
No, of course, rural areas are not cut off from any opportunities to go buy. Even in rural areas, you buy appliances for your homes. So, which the nearest leaders will be given an opportunity to give these appliances to people who come with the coupons.
Is it because of Vijay's impact, Kanimozhi? Is it because of Vijay's impact? This overdose of schemes by both sides? See, the Chief Minister has made it very clear in his interview that we had promised many things in our election in 21, and we've delivered much more than what was promised. The breakfast scheme was not promised, but he implemented it, started it, and today we are enhancing it. I don't think it has anything to do with any new entrant. All right. Thank you very much for your time.
தயாரிப்பு குழுவின் தலைவர் கனிமொழி செய்தியாளர்களுக்கு பேட்டியளித்தார். பல்வேறு கேள்விகளுக்கு பதில் கொடுத்தார். அந்த காட்சிகளை பார்த்தோம். திமுக தேர்தல் அறிக்கையானது வெளியிடப்பட்டிருக்கிறது.